Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'm going to share with you the review of some of the products that I was able to get my hands on from the brand e.l.f. Cosmetics, which is recently launched in India on the website Nykaa. Now, I can't tell you how happy I was when I found out that e.l.f. is launching in India. So I was able to purchase these few products from the website. However, at the same time, I was a little disappointed because I was unable to get my hands on the important products like the foundation and the concealers. So anyways, let me share with you what all I was able to purchase and the reviews of those products. So if you want to know a little bit more about e.l.f. Cosmetics, please keep on watching. So I got two eyebrow pencils. One is the Instant Lift Brow Pencil and the other is the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. And these two are extremely different in nature and in their formula. I love the fact that both of them have a spoolie at the back. So, you don't have to purchase a spoolie separately and you can just go back and forth with the spoolie to comb the hair of your brows. And, the Instant Lift Brow Pencil is completely creamy in nature. So I think if you are only using the Instant Lift Brow Pencil, you need to apply a little loose powder or a brown eyeshadow on top of it just to set your eyebrows. However, the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil from this brand is going to be one of my favorite eyebrow pencils because this is so easy to use and the texture is a little dry yet a little creamy. So it's perfect to create hair-like strokes. And therefore, I highly recommend you get your hands on this one. Another product that I got my hands on is the eyeliner pen from this brand. Now, you guys know I'm not a big fan of the eyeliner pens. However, I was excited to try this. I prefer using the gel liners, but this pen has just got me blown away, guys. The tip of this pen is so fine and it just creates that perfect winged liner that everyone wants. You can also create an extremely sharp, extended tip in the inner corners of your eye just to create that almond-like shape, and it's extremely matte. It's jet black and that's what I like about this pen. So try to get your hands on this one as well. Then I got two liquid matte lipsticks from this brand, and one is in the shade Mauvelous and the other one is Berry Sorbet. As you can see, I am wearing Berry Sorbet as my base on the lips, and then I have topped up with the Mauvelous only on the centers, and it is giving a beautiful effect to my lips. I have thin lips and it's instantly made me made my lips look little bigger. Now, the formula of these lipsticks are very, very, very good. They are extremely pigmented. On the application, they just glide onto your lips and they take their time to settle in and make them matte. So I just like it because you can use a brush and you do not need to use a lip liner to create those sharp lines in the outer, as a lip liner. So you do not need to use a lip liner for these lipsticks, and hence, I highly recommend these. I have also applied the shade Berry Sorbet on my eyelids and the apples of my eye. But I want to tell you that you need to apply it on the back of your hand and then take it from there because it's extremely matte. And once you just apply it on your cheeks after your foundation, it might just stick on it and it'll become very difficult for you to blend. And in that case, you might end up, moving your foundation, which you don't want. However, when I tried this, with after applying at the back of my hand, it just blended out beautifully because I was able to apply it evenly. And since these are liquid matte lipsticks, I am dead sure that this will stay on for so long. And talking about long lasting, I also got the Matte Magic Mini and Set spray from this brand. Now, I like the fact that it's tiny and it's travel friendly. It is made of plastic, which I don't really have a problem, but I'm quite happy. If you're traveling, then you don't want your spray bottle to just break and spoil the other makeup products that you're carrying it with. I also like the nozzle, guys. It just evenly spreads the spray on your face, and it does not really pinch your face when you spray the mist. So I would recommend this as well. I just wished I could get a few more products to review only for you guys, but I'm really sorry. The other products were not up to my liking and they were not really interesting. So, they did not really make me press on the add to cart button. But this is it from my side for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please take a moment to like and share this video. And I will see you very soon in my next video, but please take a moment to subscribe to my channel as well if you guys are new here, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.
You say you want me.